Hello everyone, today we will show you how to change the trackball on the Blackberry 8100 and 8800. 8100 has three similar models, which is Blackberry 8100, 8110 and 8120. How to change the trackball is pretty much the same. And 8800 has some different versions like 8800, 8820, 8830. The procedure is also the same. So first of all, you need to have the little trackball ready, like this, and the silver ring to hold the trackball and protect the trackball. And also you need some little opening tools, or you can find a little flat screwdriver at home. Any screwdriver will do the work. And you need to have some brushes or the toothbrushes, dust ready for cleaning up the inside of the trackball sensor. So first of all, as example at 8100, take off the battery cover, take off the battery. There's a little gap between the silver ring and the keypad. Use the opening tool, insert it, and lift it. So you can see you lifted the little silver ring, put aside. There's an old, very dirty trackball inside. Just take it off. And you can see a lot of dust, moisture, liquid damage marks inside. So use a brush or the toothbrush or some duster or air blow to clean up inside. Try to clean up as possible, as much as possible. So after cleaning up, put the trackball inside. If you see it clearly, the trackball has two sides. The horizontal side has 4 plastic white hinges. The other side is just a flat. So you check the trackball area. You need to put the trackball in this position and put inside. And now if you turn on the phone, you can check the trackball rolling function, up, down, left, right, and check the click. If every function is fine, you can take off the battery and put the silver ring back inside. So just clicking, make sure everything is in position, and you can put in the battery and try to test it again. So I take off the brand new one from this. And now the same thing in the Blackberry 8800. Same structure. Take off the little silver ring and take off the old trackball, dirty trackball. Use the brush to clean inside to make sure there's no dust, moisture inside. Sensor will work perfect. So put the new one inside, like the 8100. Put the battery in, test it like this, up, down, left, right, click, everything's fine. Put the silver ring back. So now everything's fine.